Hey guys, it's moving now. Train 8, Friday night southbound. Here it comes. Here it comes, guys. Moving. Oh, I'm not that close to tracks. Yep. Here it comes. Friday night southbound. Train 8. No, I can't tell if it's moving or not. I know he is. I don't know if he's moving. Hold on guys, I don't think he's moving yet. Here it comes guys. He's moving now. Now he's going towards Richmond. As soon as green, red in Richmond. It's gonna be loud. Comes. Friday night southbound. Friday southbound. Mount Carmel stuff. Cool. Here comes.
Gabe! Watch your car!
Oh my god, it's loud. Cool, he waits. He waits. Yeah, he waits. Here it goes. Alright guys, here's train number 8. Train number 8 for this week. The one on the front stop, we missed it. We missed that one, but that's alright. Here's this one. Okay? We'll see if we can get the second westbound on the front stop. Okay? Cool, there's that 11. Cool, here's the Friday night southbound. He's going towards Richmond. He's trying to hurry up because I'm freezing. I don't have enough battery on me, so. So I can make sure there's no cars coming. Cool. Hey guys, here's part 2. I just don't want to waste my battery, so here's part 2, okay? Here's part 2 of the train. That's the same. So this is basically the whole train video, right? Friday. This is the Friday night southbound. The daytime one's gone. We heard it, we missed it, but that's alright. This is the nighttime one. Oh, after this train, we're gonna go to the gas station by a tree. But I'm getting the waffle Chuck E. Cheese trip, so. Come on. that cool car. Hey, cool, there's another cool car right there again, cool. Yeah. Awesome, it's moving. It's snowing again. Damn it, my camera's getting wet. Whoa, nighttime. Is it daytime? No, it's nighttime. It's just easy to see right now because it's not that black. The sky's dark blue, it's nighttime. Come on. Yeah guys, it's starting to snow pretty hard. It's in on Richmond, Michigan, Green West. Cool, going towards Richmond. Awesome. It'll be nighttime when it gets to Richmond. The sky will be black in Richmond. God damn, I'm freezing. Feels like this is a long 2 hours really, it's a long train. Cool. Nighttime, night southbound, cool. Pretty cool, huh? Yep, now here comes the cars I haven't seen yet. Here comes some car haulers too. Car hauler. Oh look, there's one of those new car haulers, Canadian Pacific one, cool. Awesome. You know what, the car haulers have to be the best. Maybe there's truck frame flag out, cool. That's a long train guys, it's going towards Richmond. There's a bean, cool, there's Canadian Pacific up there, that's new. That one's brand new too, look at that. Man guys. 2 hours later again, this is a long train. There's a lot of car haulers too. You know? This is in which spot? Oh my hand! Wow guys, this is such a long train. Come on man, my hand's hurting. Oh, this is awesome, a long train too. Car haulers had to be the west. Yeah, here comes the end of it I think. Yep. Nope, there's gas cars, I don't see the end yet. I thought I did. Not yet, it's a long train, wow. 2 hours later there's the end of those car haulers. Now here's some mixed, but yeah, mixed food. That's a long, nice 11. Yeah guys, here comes that snowstorm. Come on train, hurry up. Quick. Yeah, there's a snowstorm coming. See how dark it is down there at Richmond? So this is, the sky's gonna be black and so this is the night southbound. This is still a night southbound here now because it's nighttime here too. See how dark the sky is? So it's nighttime. Oh cool, truck frame. That's what the truck frames had to be the west. Yeah, the truck frames are the west. That's my guess. They had to be the west. Here's train number 8 this week. Friday night southbound. Cool. Oh, remember that cool train we saw on Wednesday? That one? That was a long train too, but this one's longer than that one. Because this is a night southbound, so Friday night southbound. Cool. High five. Yeah guys, the rest of the truck brakes. Hold on, I'm not 100% sure. Yeah, it's nighttime. I told you it's nighttime, so this is a night cell phone. Yep, that's it. Alright guys. Oh no, not yet. Oh, that's it, right there. And look, the signal's yellow red. Alright. That's all for now. I have to wait, there's a car coming. That's all for now.